goal with this activity is to work on your rotational mobility, speed and power. It also helps with deceleration. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to stand on a ramp, like so. You want to take a medicine ball, make it kind of light so you can move quickly, and you're going to do repeat chops down, but you want to slowly grade up the speed each time. So you might do like anywhere from 3 to 5 of these, depending on your comfort level. Soft knees at the start. If I'm going to chop to the left, I want the ball to be on the right side of my head here. And so the first one's going to be kind of close to the body. They're all close to the body. Slow, a little faster, faster, fastest. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So it's a slow ramp up. It's just get into the movement. Get in. I'm letting the knees bend. Last one's the fastest. And one more. So it's slow with the knee bend, a little faster. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.